lock the city down like Hussein, pushing way from state to state with that imported cane. Down south, it's my next spot to make my drop, and them cops don't know about my bitches with them chickens
now
in
ain't
they
it funny how a house of fortune can look so slummed out? Nothing but them niggas coming through for that numb out. Done built my whole little nation on top of Haitian. I guess it seem like it keep on regulating as I take a sip of that gin and twist the lime in. Must be getting cold cause I heard them birds flying in.
Look into the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. No, that's my nigga about to drop them whole things. Throw up in the morning, cooking chickens in the kitchen, twisting them down to the very last compound. About to flood the town, nigga, when we cop, because them birds fly in by the flocks, nigga.
Them birds fly south for the winter. Them birds fly south for the winter. Them birds fly south for the winter. Them birds fly south for the winter.
I play some fire on the end of my blunt as I stand back and keep a tight watch as my nigga business transact. Ain't got no time for player haters and them po-pos. Two components of this dirty game that are no-nos.
Triple beam weighers, who got that yayo and that baking soda? Pass me the mask cause I can't stand the odor. Now when I let the birds out the cage, we gon' need a Richter scale to calculate our pay.
4 chickens on the table, bagged up in halves and whole. Distribute amongst the crew, now it's time to get it sold. Niggas clocking blocks and catch the reaches for them grab bags. A stack for them hoes, half a stack for them halves.
The birds fly south for the winter. The birds fly south for the winter. The birds fly south for the winter. The birds fly south for the winter.
The middle of the winter, a nigga tryna beat the heat. These feds sweating me for running numbers like an athlete. But the only thing I'm jumping is bail after I bond with them niggas who put me up on these fat padlock figures.
My recipes calculates G's by any means necessary. Come shout with my president,
We're putting you in a cemetery.
7-digit figures make us $1 million niggas by the end of the winter. I can't remember, this nigga came shout on my motherfucking pack. Tied his ass up, tossed him in the trunk of my lap.
Now they don't know where he's at after fucking 6 months. He went out like a pump, so them killers had to dump 9 shots from the Glock as it spit round for round. Now he sleeps with the fishes.
The birds fly south for the winter. The birds fly south for the winter. The birds fly south for the winter. The birds fly south for the winter.